Good evening, guys. I managed to diagnose the motherboard properly this time. The other shop where I have found the electronist, there is changing the parts for the laptops, motherboards, and different chips. After I had a discussion with him, he came to the same conclusion as I previously explained. The Norbridge chip must be replaced. He's also responsible for the issue that the motherboard will not post at all. And he explained to me that even though you want to order a new chipset Norbridge replacement, in the near future it could happen the same thing. I mean, even if you somehow paying attention or use it at normally should be without overclocking or anything like that, or not to abuse from this motherboard in anyhow. Before he explained to me something very interesting. If this motherboard had a short and being responsible for the power supply or other parts there is here, and the short in motherboard that was not possibly be found here, because these days it's very hard to find a very good specialist, especially when it comes to the motherboards. It's very complicated. He explained that in the near future, if you want to use it, of course, it will have the same fate, meaning that no matter what kind of use you have for her, it will short the Norbridge again. So the story could happen again. He also advised me that this motherboard, of course, is very fancy, very nice motherboard for the 1366. It has a lot of performance to offer, and all of that. He also advised me not to repair this motherboard. He said in his career he had many laptops, many other chips that was supposed to replace, and he knows a lot of things about these kind of things, and he wanted to help me after I talked to him about like half an hour or so. He explained to me very clearly that if you somehow find this kind of situation and still you want to repair it, after I replaced the Southbridge chip, after I redone the traces that were supposed to lead to the processor and all of that, and I also invested time and money, it's time to stop, because even if you try to repair it, and of course the price will be the same at 150 or more, because this guy also told me that his repairing process will also cost me a lot of money. So the best thing to do is find on eBay, on the AliExpress, another motherboard, just like this one, of course. He explained to me very clearly that it's not worth repairing it. So yeah, this is it. I also understand, and of course, because I wanted so much to put it in function and make a lot of tests on it, unfortunately there is not possible. So anyway, these are the facts that I was telling you about. See you in the other video, guys, when I'll be doing something else about the other motherboards, the other computer parts, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the other videos.